Hello, and welcome to this instructional video on how to download data using the download tool. This video will cover what the download tool is, an overview of the download process, and a demo including adding data from the data repository, adding data from the query tool, and then reviewing and using the download tool to download our submitted data. The download tool is an application used to download data from your BRICS instance. Users can download from both the data repository and the query tool. There are various data types available for download, such as clinical assessment data, genomic data, and imaging data, and any other data types available within BRICS. Before a user can download any data, they must first have access to the study of interest. Either the study has been shared with the BRICS community, or the user has been specifically given privileges to that study. Let's go over some of the key differences between using the data repository versus the query tool. From the data repository, you can only download specific data sets that were submitted to a study. That means that you will be downloading the data exactly as it was uploaded to that study. Versus from the query tool, you'll have control to download study-specific data. You can download all data associated with a study or a forum. You can join data from different studies or forums, and you can filter data for the exact needs of the user. Now let's go over the overview of the download process. To use the download tool, you will first have to use the data repository or the query tool to add data to the download queue. When you add data to the download queue, it may take some time for it to become available. After it is available, you will receive an email notifying you. Afterwards, the user can navigate to the download tool and download their desired data. Do note, data added to the download queue will expire after 30 days. Now let's go over how to download data from the data repository. First, log into your BRICS instance and navigate to the data repository module. All the studies that are currently available in the data repository will appear in the table. You can use the search and/or filters on the left side of the table to find your desired study and then click on it. Afterwards, click on the Dataset Submissions tab. Select the dataset of interest and then press the Add to Download Queue button. After adding to the download queue, it will need to process before the data is available in the download tool. Users will be notified by email when the download package is available to be downloaded. Now let's navigate to the query tool and learn how to send data to the download queue from there. I want to note that the query tool has many complex features that this video will not cover. Please watch the query tool video to learn how to better use it. Now that we're in the query tool, we can use the left section to choose how to filter the data, either by studies, forms, or data elements. In this example, data will be selected based on the forms used in the study. By pressing the plus sign on the study box, the list of forms that have data for that study will appear. Select the shopping cart on the form box to add it to the data cart. Users can also click the shopping cart on the study box to select all the forms in the study. Once the forms of interest have been selected, select the Step 2 tab or click the Data Cart button to refine the search within the selected forms. From this part of the query tool, users can join forms based on GUIDs. Users can also add filters on any data element as well as set Boolean functions between filters. The result from the join and filters will appear in the data table on the right side. To download the query results, press the Download Options button on the top right and select Download to Queue. From here, the query can be given a name and then can be downloaded as a regular CSV or a flattened CSV. The difference between a regular CSV and a flattened CSV is that the repeatable groups appear as separate column headers in the flattened CSV, while the repeatable groups remain within the data rows of the normal CSV. When the data has been processed, the user will receive an email that the download package is ready. Once all the files of interest have been added to the download queue from either the data repository or the query tool, then navigate to the data repository and open the download tool from the left navigation menu. If given the option, then please select the JavaScript version of the download tool. The Java Web Start option has been deprecated and will soon be removed. Now you are on the download tool and you may need to accept the data privacy terms at the bottom of the page before continuing. At the top of the page, there's a link to the Download Tool User Guide. You can download it for more details than what is covered in this video. Under that, you'll see the steps on how to use the download tool and instructions on how to change the file destination for your browser. The download tool has two main sections, the Download Packages section and the Package Contents section. The Download Package section shows the download packages that are ready for download. It will display the name of the package, date added, number of files in the package, size of the package, and the origin of the package. Users can also remove packages, refresh the download queue, and search through packages with keywords. Users can only select one download package at a time to download when using the download tool. The package contents section shows the files that are within the selected download package. Users can select specific files within the package as well as filter the package by file types and by text. Once all the selections have been made, press the download button to start downloading the files. A window will appear to notify the user that the download is in process. A status indicator will also appear below the download button to show the status of the package being created for download. Once the download is complete, users can select another download package to download. After downloading your desired packages, you can click Remove Packages and select the packages you wish to delete from the queue. As a reminder, download packages will be removed from the download queue after 30 days. This concludes the video for the download tool. Please feel free to contact your operations members for any additional questions, and thank you for watching.